In this global pandemic period, Delhi government launched an app called Delhi Corona app to help millennials to find hospitals and ventilators accordingly. So in this video, we are going to talk about the Delhi Corona app and also how this is different from Arogya Setu app, because many of them are thinking both of them are for same purpose, but this is not the case. So first up, let's talk about the Delhi Corona app. So what this app basically does is it shows you all the numbers of beds and ventilators available in all government and private hospitals located in Delhi. If any hospital rejects to admit a patient, even if there are available beds, then all millennials can call in this particular number on the screen and require authorities will take action against the hospital. So this is the basic work of this app, to show the number of beds and ventilators, all total occupied and available numbers. So now talking about how is this different from Arogya Setu app. So this is completely different from Arogya Setu app because Arogya Setu app was designed to track COVID-19 infected patient within a certain range, whereas this Delhi Corona app is designed to show you the numbers of available beds and available ventilators. So with this app, it will also be easy for people to admit a patient into hospital because they can check if the hospital has enough beds in advance. So more information about Delhi Corona app is like, this app currently is only for Android users, whereas this app is not supported for iOS devices as of now, but it is expected that the iOS version of this app will also be launched. So the way how can you check the available beds and available ventilators is being played on your screen throughout this video. So I hope you know how to do that. So this is all for today. If you find this video informative, then don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share to support the channel. Until my next video, peace.